Imagine being the first to create something truly remarkable, publishing tiny heroes and writing insects, all brought to life with the power of AI. After thousands of hours of research, I've discovered that no one else on YouTube or TikTok is producing content like this yet. And the best part? You can be the one to start this trend and create content that truly stands out. This isn't just another random video. You're witnessing the beginning of a new trend, all fueled by AI and a carefully crafted blueprint designed for maximum viewer retention. In this video, I'll show you how to create successful YouTube and TikTok shorts. Let's start with the first step, creating images for my magical micro world. My niche is macro photography, and my goal is to reach a broad audience that connects emotionally with the topic, engaging with my content instantly. We're going to build a world that truly stands out. To make it unique, I came up with this highly detailed prompt. All you have to do is copy it from the description and paste it here. The bot will then provide you with detailed, accurate prompts to generate your images. If you want more prompts, just type "give me more" and you'll get additional options. Once I had my prompts ready, it was time to create the images. For this, I turned to Pumin, the best free alternative to Midjourney. Pumin is an AI image generator powered by Flux, creating high-quality, realistic images. Sign up for free using your Google account, and you're good to go, no restrictions. Head to the left side of the screen and click on Create. This opens up a space where you can start generating your images. Now, we'll select the Flux model, choose the 9:6 aspect ratio, and decide how many images we want to generate. I'll go with 2. Next, copy your prompt, paste it into the field, and hit Generate. In just a few seconds, you'll have your stunning images. Repeat this process for all your prompts to create the full set of images. Finally, just download the images. No credits, no limits. Everything is completely free. Now the next step is optional. We can add some motion to our pictures to boost engagement in our videos. While we can definitely satisfy our audience with just the images, if you really want to make your content pop, turning an image into a video is a great way to stand out. For this, we'll use Halo AI, the best tool for converting images into videos. Simply sign up, and you're ready to go. You can generate up to 3 videos per day, which is more than enough for us. If you want more, you can always upgrade your plan for additional credits. Click the box to upload your image, paste the prompt you'll find in the description, and then click the button to generate your video. Once your video is ready, take a moment to appreciate it. It turned out great. Now, let's move on to the final step, creating the full video. For this, we'll use CapCut. Open CapCut and import all the files you downloaded earlier. Start by placing your background music on the timeline, then add your first video. Listen to the music and note where the rhythm changes. Once you've identified those spots, adjust the video size accordingly. Next, add all the pictures and videos to the timeline, arranging them in order, starting with the second image, then the third, and so on. Once arranged, select them all and slightly enlarge each image. For the second image, listen to the tempo of the music and adjust the size of the image to match the drum beats. Select the second image, go to Animations, choose Combo, and select the Pendulum 1 animation. Stretch the duration to match the end of the image. Repeat this for all your images, ensuring each animation matches the rhythm of the music. For the third image, go to Animations, select Combo, and choose the Distort Right animation. For the fourth image, select Combo, then choose the Pendulum 2 animation. Be sure to drag the duration to the end of the image. For the fifth image, go to Animations, select Combo, and pick Pendulum 1 again. For the sixth image, choose the Zoom 1 animation from Combo. Select the seventh image, and apply the Funhouse Mirror 2 animation, also in the Combo section. Now for the eighth image, go to Animations, select the In section, and choose the Zoom Out animation. For the remaining images, simply repeat the animation order we've used so far. Next, let's add some transitions. Head over to Transitions and apply the left transition between the first and second images by dragging it into place. Do the same between the second and third images. For the third and fourth images, we'll use the mix transition, and between the fourth and fifth images, let's apply the pull-out transition. Continue adding transitions wherever you feel they're needed. For instance, I chose the black smoke transition here because it felt like a perfect fit. Once the transitions are done, go to Filters and apply the clear filter, stretching it across all your images. From the effects section, I added the shakes effect in places where it added impact. For sound effects, I used B-sound and clashing metal. I sourced my music and sound effects from the Upbeat site, which offers original tracks and sound effects. You can find a link to check out their site in the description. Alternatively, you can explore music on Pixabay. It's your choice. Before we play the final video, I want to remind you once more that this is a brand new niche. You have the opportunity to be the first to start it. Get creative. Add text, voiceovers, and anything else you think will elevate the video. And now, let's check out the final result.